Hi and welcome to this video. In this video we will install SmartConsole. So first we need to log into our Gaia in our management server. So we open a web browser and we log into our management server, to this server, which is 10.1.101. This Windows machine should have internet connectivity. Here, so this Windows machine in my lab is reaching the internet because we will install it from Check Point server. So we log in here. So, or so maybe. So here, when we logged into the management server, we can check here. Manage software play using SmartConsole and download. So we click on download now. This will take us to the Check Point website. There we can download management server, which is the latest version that we need. It will lead us to the version that we are using, as our management server is 8120. So here, preparing download, please wait. It is for 400 megs, so download. And here we can see that it's downloading. So now installation of the file is complete. So we can open the file where the file is installed or downloaded, and we double click the file to start the installation process. And here we click on run, because we trust this app to be installed in our Windows. So run. So here we can see we need to accept this license agreement, and here we can see that our SmartConsole will be installed in this way. So we only click on install and wait until it's done. So it should take some time. So now the installation process is done. We can leave this and click finish to launch the SmartConsole. So because this is a lab machine, it takes longer time to launch it, but it will work. So now we can log in. So the first is here the admin, the username. Here is the password, and this is our management server, and click on log in. So here we can see that SmartConsole will show us a fingerprint. So this fingerprint is used for many things. So for example, it's used for authentication of the management server. When you first connect to the SmartConsole, so connect the SmartConsole to the management server, you will be presented with this service fingerprint. So this one here. This allows you to verify the authenticity of the server and ensures that you are connecting to the correct management server, not a hacker or man in the middle or something. So this one, we can see this, and we can go at the same time, use the CLI and log into our management server. So SSH admin 10 admin 10.1.1 There are many ways to show the fingerprint, but we can use the cp config command. And this, if you can see here, certificates fingerprint. So choose 7 here. This line here should be the same as this line here. And if you can see, Ofpen, Eva, Ermaleo, so it is the same. So if it is not the same, so there is an attack or something like that. The other thing that the fingerprint is used for is certificate validation. The fingerprint represents the server certificate, which is used to encrypt the communication channel between the SmartConsole and the security management server. Accepting the fingerprint ensures that the certificate is trusted, enabling secure management of the firewall. And the last thing here the fingerprint is used for is preventing man-in-the-middle attacks. By verifying the fingerprint when connecting to the server, you ensure that your SmartConsole is communicating with the genuine server, and that no one is intercepting or tampering with the data exchange between the SmartConsole and the management server. So this fingerprint here should be exactly the same as this one. When we make sure of that, so we click proceed, and now it's initializing connection to our management server. So now we can see that this is our management server. That's okay. So, and here we can see what's new in this version. So this video is done here. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.